So this in my hands right here is the brand new offering from Hohem, the Mic-01 or 01. It's a wireless mic system that works with your mobile phone, and it also pairs really nicely with the Hohem M6 gimbal. So, why have they made this, and can it compete with the Rode wireless system? Let's find out. So how the system works, it comes in two parts. You've got the receiver and you've got the transmitters. The receiver comes in either an iPhone style connector or the USB-C connector. So here I have the USB-C one to go inside my phone. And this receiver also allows charge through. So it's got a USB-C port on the side here, so you can plug that in and charge your device whilst also receiving audio from these two mics. And it's got a headphone jack on the other side. So for such a small little unit, that's quite nice. It comes with two transmitters in this pack and a charging case. The case itself is surprisingly high quality. It's got a really nice action to it. It's got magnets inside to hold it closed, so you can shake it about and that's not coming open. And it's got this cool little rubber strap here, which I don't know, it just feels nice to sort of mess with. You can just sort of clip it to your belt or something like that. So both microphones also come with an SD card slot, so you can record directly to the mic without having to use the receiver. Also, you can charge with USB in the bottom if you don't want to use the charging case, and you can plug your own lavaliers in if you want to, so you don't need to use the mic that's built into it. They do supply it with a wind muff as well, and these are just quite functionally well designed as well. You slide it on the top there, and nice little feature, they've left a hole there, so if you want to plug your lavalier into it still, it's not limited by having the wind muff on as protection. And this wind muff will stop the wind wrecking your audio. So one of the main selling features of this mic set is that it has built-in noise cancellation. When it's in blue, it's in standard mode and there's no cancellation. Green is standard noise cancellation, and then orange or yellow is the highest noise cancellation that it offers. And if you're someone that wants things simplified, you don't want to be trying to do noise cancellation or noise removal in post-production, this is actually ideal. And especially as the record quality of this mic, there's not going to be a large amount of data to mess with. So that is the downside. Compared to something like the Rode Wireless Pro, which can record internally at 32-bit, that is a much higher quality file. So now I'm going to go outside and just see how good this actually is. So at the moment we're in the standard noise cancelling mode. Let's put it into green mode. So now we're in green mode. Has that done anything to the car noise that we can hear? The beeps, the wind. How about orange? So is the orange mode any better? I'm going to take a few more steps away so we can really experience the range on this device. So now we're in blue mode. Is that picking up more of the ambience, or is the ambience even better blanked? So we're coming up to the road now. A lot of background noise, vehicles driving past, trains going along the tracks. So listening in on the noise cancellation, I think for most scenarios, you're not going to really want to go above the green sort of standard noise cancellation. The orange noise cancellation is for really extreme environments, but it does kind of degrade the audio a little bit. So this is the Hohem M6 gimbal, and currently I've got my Galaxy Note 9 in there. So this is the AI sensor that you may have seen in another video of mine. If not, then have a look up there. It seems so perfectly designed because you've got the receiver here, and then you can use the supplied cables that you get with your gimbal to plug in the charge through, and then there's the other side of the cable goes in this part here so that you can actually charge your phone up whilst you're going along. So currently I'm in Filmic Pro, and let me just show you what you can do. You can go in your audio settings and you can choose USB microphone, and now these levels, you can see when I tap the microphone there, the levels are going. Hello, 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 hello. So if the levels are too hot, you can actually change the gain by double pressing here and then changing between gain modes. So I'm just going to knock that down a little bit. That way, when I talk into it, you can see the levels are a lot better. That's better. But yes, so in this setup, you can use this mic with your phone in the gimbal. And for me, that's a really neat system. Doesn't it look great? And it just slots in perfectly. So I think this is why Hohem have designed it like they have. So now you could argue this is, I'd hate to call it a professional setup, but you could definitely do work that is going to be seen by millions of people. How is that not professional? If you do some cool TikTok stuff or do some filmmaking with the Filmic Pro app, and you can use this in a pinch, and for the price it costs to buy this system, it really is a great bargain. Now, you've heard the audio yourself. It's definitely more than usable. It's better than I really expected. And I think probably a lot of people are going to be very happy with this mic kit. And as ever, I'll see you on the next one.